She's scared to tell her people. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing? Okay, he on there. He on there. C10, yeah, he subscribed. Make sure y'all subscribe, I think. Mira. Yeah. Mira. My YouTube channel. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel? You is too? Here you go, miss. Y'all can tell y'all uncle now. Look out. Look out racing. Yeah, uncle, ain't is everybody. I'm trying to get everybody to subscribe. Brothers, everybody. I'm looking for everybody. You on there? Brothers, mamas, I need it all.
Live, man. Is you really live?
Yeah, that's me.
Is that
yeah.
You?
That's me.
Turn that camera on me. Let me see.
Yeah,
really
that's you, man.
I can't find you nowhere.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, man. There you go.
We got any Lunchables?
Yeah, he need a Lunchable.
I need one though.
Yeah, we need a Lunchable. One with cheese and a little Hershey bar in it. Oh, you like the pizza one? That pizza one is doing something. But that pizza one come with an Oreo or something? Yeah, that's one Oreo. We almost got 300 likes, y'all. We almost got 300 likes.
Man, literally 12:40.
I be having 8,000 views, 212 likes. I be thinking, what the fuck?
12:30. Sat there for a little bit, went got a couple Snickers bars and a Takis. Came back to the car, ate them shits real quick. Feel like taking a dump now. But yeah.
No, my man cool, man. Damn. Well, they know how to take their time. Yeah, we want our cars to be at 0 degrees before. Look, I done ran little man to sleep, y'all. He tired. Got his ass. Oh, no, he got me. Damn. I need a damn. Oh, sure. Dang. I'm gonna sit by you, bro. I done got me 2, 3 full passes in. Damn, y'all. Tap the screen and share the live, y'all. Where's the car racing at? I guess they on the way. How much for the police car? I'm gonna raffle it off. I'm gonna raffle it. You ready for me to start the raffle now? How long is a good time to set a raffle? Like, how long should it be? A month, 2 months? My plan is to have 1 ticket for 20, 40 tickets for 50, 100 tickets for 100, 200 tickets for 200, and 1,000 tickets for 500. How long should I leave it going? How many days? Nah, 15K ain't gonna get you no supercharged LS car. You probably try to find you want to build, you want to sell, I don't know, but mine ain't going for 15. 1 month, okay. Okay, they say 1 month. The answer to my question is 1 month. Okay, I sure appreciate you. I appreciate y'all feedback. Y'all are helpful. That's one thing that I love about my Lookout Racing channel. That sale of merch gear to give the tickets seem to take too long for me. I'm already having a hard time building my website, so I don't want to do it that way.
Look out.
Well,
Took out my foot.
oh, he didn't blow the head gasket, y'all. It's still able to run, but it ain't that good no more. Mesquite, Texas showing love. My chat know everything, that's right. How do you get entered in the waffle? I'm gonna have a link that you go to. You hit that link. I'll probably try something real small to make sure everything go according to plan. And you know what I'm saying, make sure everything going according to plan, and hell, that'll be it. Circle of Life say she think a month as well. Well, I'm gonna get it started. You already know it ain't no yeah. I'm gonna do that waffle, and it's gonna be going down, y'all. That's the play. Watching from Lafayette, Louisiana. Where is everybody from, y'all? Thanks for the hats. Me and my friends got ours 15 minutes. Already, Corey Holzman. I done seen that name on here before. Yeah, I ain't gonna advertise as no, I advertise waffles. Not a raffle, a waffle. With extra syrup on it. We got North Carolina, East Texas, Michigan in the building. Chinatown, Alabama, Lake Livingston, Seattle, Florida. Oh, Circle of Life, you in Grand Prairie? Man, you right around the corner. San Diego. Okay. Okay, prefer jelly. Lake Macquarie, Australia. Boy, Jet Black be representing that old Australia, boy. Nashville, Tennessee. Oh snap, we got somebody from Hawaii. Trouble still, all the spots gonna sell the way I'm talking about. 100 spots for $100. 200 spots for $200. And 1,000 spots for $500. That's how it's gonna be. 1 spot for 20, 40 spots for 50. However y'all gonna be wanting to spend it, that's gonna be up to y'all. We watching from Jersey Shore, Southern Indiana, Ohio. We got Denver, Baton Rouge, Houston, the Golden State Bay Area.
Yeah, hey,